my channel. If this is your first time watching one of my videos, my name is Lisette, and if you like anything to do with makeup, beauty, skincare, anything in general of makeup and beauty, please make sure to subscribe. For today's video is going to be a quick and fast video of unboxing IPSY Valentine's Day mystery bag. Yeah, it's a mouthful. But before I get started with that, I wanted to quickly tell you, if you guys didn't know what IPSY is a beauty subscription box. It comes monthly. They have various memberships with various prices, but the cheapest one and the basic one is IPSY Glam Bag, which is $12 a month, and it comes with 5 sample deluxe size products, and it has to do with makeup, skincare, hair care, nail care, tools, etc. So one of the perks of being a member of IPSY is that you get a lot of discounts for like brand items that are really expensive. You get a like super discount, like 30%, 40%. They have various prices, and that's amazing. Another thing is that every month, mostly every month, they do this mystery bags, which is $14, and they have a theme. Each of them have a theme, and usually they sell out fast, and people want to buy it because it's like, oh my god, what am I gonna get? And it has nothing to do with your quiz, your profile quiz that you set up with like the things that you like and don't like. No, you can get anything. You might get things that you don't like, but hey, it's mystery. But it is pretty cool. Like, I like to get it and see what I'm gonna get, you know, that excitement that you get. So let's go ahead and get started. Here is the package. Let me see. Oh, in the inside of the package, you have to be careful with these packages because they usually put the products outside, not only on the little bags that it comes like, look, in the inside there's things there. So I'm just gonna take out those things and just talk about it. Okay, so the first thing I see here, it's a Midflower Pure Series Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask. Nice. It says zero preservative. So it is, I think it's one mask. Yeah. Oh, another thing with these mystery bags is that they don't bring like a card like the normal monthly bags. So you just have to like figure it out, I guess, and see what it is. Oh, it comes too. That's nice. Look. 2 masks. I've been getting a lot of masks in the subscription boxes. So let me just quickly read what it says here. It says Midflower Hyaluronic Acid Moisturizing Mask revitalizes your skin with intense, long-lasting hydration. It plumps fine lines and diminishes wrinkles, providing an instant filling and smoothing effect. And it says to apply it after your face is clean for 20 to 30 minutes, and for best results, allow the mask to dry completely before removal. Yay, some more masks. It's always good to get face mask and hydrate your skin, and you need all those nice formulas and ingredients it has to revitalize your skin. Okay, the next product that I see here, it's a brush. Oh, nice. It's from Moda Pro, and I believe this is a highlighting brush. Yes. But at the end of the day, yeah, each brush, quick tip, at the end of the day, each brush, yeah, it has a purpose. You know, you have the blush brush, the brush for the powder, the concealer brush, the foundation brush. But at the end of the day, it's your tools, and you play with them however you like. You use them however you feel like. So, but for here, it says that it is the BMX 265 Glow. This is what it looks like. It's good. It's a highlight brush. Nice. I always like to get brushes. You can never have enough brushes. Seriously. Okay, and now the bag. Oh my gosh, this is such a cute bag. It's kind of like a mix from the other bags I got from February, the month of February. They had both of these textures in it. So it's like a mix of both together. This is like one of those envelope purses. So cool. Look how it opens. So cool. This is, you can actually wear this to go out, like seriously. You put on like a similar color outfit and you're ready to go. Like, this is a purse. So freaking cute. Okay, let's open and see what it is. And the texture feels nice. I'm gonna be linking below the video, so make sure if you're interested in that to see my other unboxing, to check it out. Okay, so the first thing I see here It's a Betty Boo and IPSY Chic to Cheek blush palette. Nice. So this is from the collection that they did for the month of October. They usually do a lot of like collaborations with different brands, like IPSY and some other brand. So in this case, they did Betty Boo for October. That was the whole theme, you know, since it was like Halloween, that was the theme, the Betty Boo. And they did everything from Betty Boo. They did like this one, the blush palette, which I don't have and I'm so happy to get. They did the lipstick, they did eyeshadow, they did like pretty much everything, eyeliner, everything. So let's see what this looks like in the inside. Wow, this is so pretty. Look, it's really, really pretty. Yeah, there's like one matte and then there's two shimmers in there. Yeah, so kind of like the three of them are blushes, but one is the matte and then the other two has like a little glitter, so kind of like a highlighter. I'm gonna try it on. I know this is not a try on video, but I'm gonna try this one. I'm gonna try the matte. It's kind of like brownish. I don't have a mirror here, so I'm just like looking in the camera, but it looks nice. It looks really cute. Yeah, this is like really soft, so that's nice. They don't smell like anything. I don't know, I have a thing to smell everything. Okay, so anyways, it's pretty cool. It's really, really nice. I like it. That's nice to have. Yo, it's always nice to get blushes because I love blushes. You guys know I love blushes. Okay, next. I get carried away and I talked about everything. Okay, the next thing I get, oh my god, this is so cute. It's a keychain. Like a lollipop to lollipop with the IPSY brand. This is super cute. This is so cute to like put in any of those IPSY bags or any bag at all. But this is so cool, like a heart lollipops. This is super cute. I'm so happy I got this. So this they actually sell these also in the add-on store, which is something else that they have. They have a bunch of perks for members. So on the 2nd of every month, they tell you the products that you're gonna get, and you also get to choose add-ons. And you pay extra for the add-ons. You pay like $3 for the simple add-ons, the smaller versions. You pay, I believe, $12 or $15 and then $18, something like that. And you get extra things that you want to have, like super cheap, because things that are like 30 something dollars, you just pay $12 and get that full product. You know, it's pretty cool. Then next, the other thing, it's a Wonder product, Wonder Beauty. I did get this Wonder, I got a Wonder product in my last unboxing for February, and it was the foundation. Oh my god, this packaging, seriously. Okay, I'm back. I had to like open this with scissors and everything. I have issues opening packages. Okay, anyway, this is a Wonder Beauty Wanderess Glow, and it's in the shade After Hours. This is the color. It's a pretty nice color. Oh my god, I just put my nail, like I made a hole in the highlighter. Oh my god. Why does these things always happen to me? Like, oh. Okay, this is what it looks like. It's so shiny. I'm gonna put this on. Oh wow, that is shiny. I like it. Look at this. Ah, even my finger. This is super nice, and it's creamy. It's really, really nice texture. I love this. And the next product I got is from Unicorn Glow, and it's a hydrating primer. Yes, I love hydrating primers. It says that it's a lightweight gel texture, a moisture infused primer, instantly creates a smooth glowing canvas for flawless long-lasting makeup while nourishing and hydrating skin. So I did get in another bag one of these Unicorn Glow primers, and I believe I liked it. Yeah, it was really nice. It was different. It was not this one, so I'm happy I got this. It's a hydrating one, so I always need the hydration I could get. Look, I'm already shining from this highlighter, so it's really good. It's really good. Anyways, that's it for today's video. This is the bag. I really liked it. It's how many items I got? 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, 5, the brush. Yeah, 5 items. But in reality, there's 2 masks, so 6? Yeah, I think so. So it was good. I liked it. Everything, it matches kind of my profile, which is crazy because this is not about matching your quiz, but it's nice to get that. So that's it for today's video. Let me know if you guys liked it. If you have any comments, please give me all the feedback you can get. Thank you for all the feedbacks I've been getting. And please make sure to see the other video that I did of the unboxing of IPSY Glam Bag and Glam Bag Plus, and I explain a little bit more in detail what IPSY is. I know it's a long video. I got carried away because I put 2 videos in one, and then I was trying out the product and everything, but make sure to check it out. I know you're gonna like it. It was cool. I liked it. So anyways, thank you very much for watching me. Please subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.